Donner here is just gotten done with his nice couple of hours long warm bath, and he ate a little bit heavier meal than he's been eating. I've switched him from sardines to a little bit of chicken, and he seemed to like it, but he didn't eat as much of it as he has the sardines. What I'm going to do here now is I need to tube him some Benebac probiotic and a little bit of some digestive enzyme, pancreatic enzymes. It's kind of like a generic equivalent of Prozyme, a food supplement to aid with digestion. And there's a little bit of electrolytes in here too, some alite, amino acid electrolyte mixed into it. And I'm gonna tube this to him as soon as I first get the air out of the needle. And then I have to insert a speculum into his mouth. Come here, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. This is the snapping turtle who no longer wants to be a snapping turtle. A little bit of trouble getting him to open his mouth these days, and unless he's hungry. Come here, boy. Get this in there. Come on, boy. And then I'll insert this. And I have to hold his jaws so he doesn't spit it back out. Come on, boy. Come on. Normally I would hold him up in the vertical, and if I had a helper, the helper would be holding him up in the vertical and holding his neck extended. Makes it a lot harder for them to fight you and regurgitate the stuff. But unfortunately, it's just me, and I have to handle this snapping turtle all by myself, so it's not quite as easy to do everything. Come on, boy. Get this in there, and that. And I'm expecting he's going to spit up part of this, so if he just gets half of it, that'll be good. But what I like to do is rub the bottom of their neck too, try to encourage a swallowing reflex before I turn them loose. There we go, he took most of that. And that's how we tube the snapping turtle.